Good morning, Ian. Been working on your project. This is gonna be our button. Of course, it doesn't have to be this button. And the way this is gonna work, here, as you probably know, you select your target, which we can, right now it's in seconds, but we can make it in minutes and seconds and not divisions of seconds. So let's say my target is 5 seconds. And I can pack a meal in 5 seconds or in 6 seconds. Now, right now I packed it in 28 seconds, so definitely I'm late, so it's red. But the next one, it's only in 6 seconds, still I'm late. But the next one, it's still almost there. Oh look, now I packed in 3 seconds, and now the screen is green and I'm compliant. So this is the idea. Of course, this setting is lockable, and you have a fine and coarse, so you can go to large numbers, so only the supervisor would have the key, so nobody could mess with it. And that's the idea. We can even do a countdown from the target, meaning if the target is 30 minutes, we can have a countdown on the screen, 29, 28, 27, and so on, so they know how they're doing while they're packing. We can customize this any way you want.